In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send pictures on Character.AI. We'll walk through opening the site, attaching a photo in a chat, adding a short prompt so the character knows what to look for, and sending everything together. Follow along on desktop or mobile. The buttons look slightly different, but the flow is the same. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Character.AI. Look for the official Character.AI result and click through to the site. If you see multiple results, pick the one that clearly says Character.AI and opens the chat homepage. Once you're in, choose a character you'd like to talk to. You can pick from the suggestions on the front page or use the search bar to find a specific type of bot. Any chat will work for sending a picture. Inside the chat window, look near the message box for the image icon with a small plus sign. That's the Attach button. Click it to open your device's file picker. On some devices, the same icon might appear next to the Send button. The function is identical. When the file picker opens, navigate to the folder that holds your image, select the photo you want, and confirm by clicking Open or Choose. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. If your image is large, give it a moment to attach. You should see a small preview appear above or inside the message field. Now, type a short prompt to go with the picture. Context helps the character respond more accurately. For example, you might write, "Do you know this character?" You can also clarify what you want, like asking for a description, style, or background information, but keep it concise so the bot focuses on the image. When you're ready, click Submit. Your image and your prompt will send together, and the character will reply based on both the text and the visual you provided. If you change your mind before sending, you can usually remove the attachment from the message field and choose a different picture. A few quick tips as you practice. Pick clear, well-lit images, avoid sharing personal or sensitive information, and use a prompt that tells the bot exactly what you want. If the Attach button doesn't respond, refresh the page or try a different browser tab, then repeat the steps. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to send pictures on Character.AI, add helpful context, and submit your message for a better, more visual conversation.